Beehive Homes is the nation's leader in small senior living homes, providing more personalized care and attention than can be found in larger facilities. With over 190 homes nationwide, Beehive has set the industry standard for professional caregiving, and one of the premier Beehive homes is located right here in Georgia at Inauda Drive in Gainesville. The Gainesville Beehive offers the very finest in care from a tremendous, loving, professional staff. The home features spacious private bedrooms with large private full bathrooms. Beautiful Carolina classic cherry furniture is included for each room at no extra charge, or a resident can bring their own furniture or a combination of both. We want every resident to feel that the Beehive is their home. Since a beehive is small like a home, your loved one will never be lost in a crowd and long hallway. Beehive homes provide a great family atmosphere, fun and stimulating activities, and social interaction. Famous home-cooked meals and snacks. Assistance with the activities of daily living, like medication reminders, bathing, dressing, toileting, transferring, pretty much anything that a resident would need help with. And all this is provided at one reasonable monthly rate. We never charge extra for levels of care or extra services. Come, see why we say that Beehive is the next best place to home.